Okay, hi guys. So I think I'll be taking a trade once this current candle makes a small wick up. I'll be taking a trade shortly. Okay. All right. So once it wicks up, a bit now, we'll take a trade to mirror this clean candle. So there's a clean candle here. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting for that wick up. Please to tap this previous resistance. And the reason for this trade is this. On the daily, there's a wick to be filled. On the daily, there's a wick that was filled, but there's this other wick to be filled here. That's from the daily. From the 4 hour, there was a resistance. So 4 hour had a resistance here. There was a resistance here. We're breaking below this level. We have clean candle to go down. So we have a good range. Right, that's on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, yeah. The 1 hour is beautiful, right? So this is the 4 hour wick up. The 4 hour started at this candle. This was the start of the 4 hour. The 4 hour wick down, immediately went up to make a wick up. Now it's coming down. It's breaking its previous low to most possibly drive down. There are clean candles to the left, right? So there are clean candles to the left. So I think I'll use. So it's now breaking its own low. Looking left, there are clean candles to be mirrored to the left. So this price will most likely continue down. And we had volume, we had a rejection. So others we are taking at this week. Now this low has been broken. This low has been broken. Candle will most likely continue down. So that's why we are in for sales today or right now. Just waiting for that wick up on the. So yeah, so on the 30-minute, the same thing. 30 minutes is even a fake out. This is a fake out. So candle close above. Next candle closed inside the range. Now we are breaking below this. So price will continue down. All right. So with this, I think price will continue driving down. And I'm entering right now. Okay, we have entered. We have entered the trade. All right. So there are two things why we're in this trade, right? There are two things we are looking at: how price reacts here and how price reacts here. Will tell us how price reacts here and here. So that's what we're looking at to see what's going to happen, right? Okay. We're still putting our hope in the fact that looking left, there are super clean candles. We waited for confirmation. That's this candle to close below all the other candles. So there was a small bullish trend here, but this candle wiped everything away. So yeah, we're in a downtrend, and yeah, the sales make sense to me. But obviously, I'm looking at ways in which I can cut my losses short. So one of which is I'll put something like this, and I'll put something like this. Yeah. So if price retraces above here, I think I'll leave this trade because the price first, before going up, the price made a week down. And now if it drives up and it breaks above here, I'll close the trade. Boom. Yeah. So now it has made that week up. This is beautiful. It has made the week up. If it breaks its own low, it will most assuredly drive down. So that's where we're waiting for this low to be broken. Yeah. Oh, it's Japanese bank holiday, yeah? Even the US bank holiday. Right. Yeah, I had seen this Japanese bank holiday yesterday. Interesting. Okay. But pound is still active, yeah, because there's no British holiday. And besides, we're in the pound or the US, the London session. So it doesn't really matter whether the Japanese are on holiday as well. You can see that volume still came in. Volume is still in the market. So if this current candle closes below this level, I'll still stay in the trade. But if it closes bullish inside this zone, I'll close half. If the next candle starts breaking the high of that bullish candle, I'll close all my trade. Because I don't like this dance it's making here. It could have just dropped, but we're just looking for ways in which we would protect our trade. We will protect our losses, yeah, or we'll reduce our losses. So that's what we're looking at now. Okay, it seems a little bit of volume is entering. So if we break the low here, I will be adding a bit more position to this trade. So my usual trade is 0.5 lot. If we break below, I'll add a 0.2. So altogether, I'll have a 0.7 lot open on this trade. Okay, so the way price is about to close, the way this candle is closing, well, let's hope that volume comes in now, but I'm not so confident in this candle. And my concern is that price has done this. Okay, I hope it goes down. But my concern is bullish, bullish, bullish. Price may want to make, sorry, bearish. Price may want to make a bullish candle to drop down. That's what I'm thinking about. So if this candle, this current candle closes small bullish, small bearish, sorry, I would most likely close on my trade and wait for that resistance to be created. Okay, so now we'll bring our stops a bit lower here. So it's better now. We had the 22 pip stop. Now we now have less than 10 pips. So that's good. That's good. Now, if this current candle breaks the low, this candle will definitely move down, because now look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes has closed strongly below, right? So yeah, the 30 minutes has closed strongly below. So if this next one starts breaking the low to break down, that will be perfect. Okay, so we are driving down then. How many pips do we have now? Yeah, we have 9 pips. Okay, we have 9 pips. Okay, we have 10 pips. We have 10 pips. We'll leave it in a bit. It should drive down strongly right now. Yeah, beautiful. That's what it's doing now. Okay, moving stops to break even and closing 80% of the trade. 80% of the trade closed 17 or 16 pips because of my broker. Okay, all right. I'm leaving the 20% to run. Yeah. So we visualize this trade and we executed. So yeah, I hope you learned a little bit of something. See you tomorrow.